Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer money from Citibank to another bank account online. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for citibank.com. So next we're going to have to log in using our user ID and password of our Citibank account. So as you can see, once we're logged in, there is the payment and transfers option. Once you click that, then there's a make a transfer. We're going to pick a bank account and select the account we're going to send to, the amount, the date. Then we're going to verify by clicking on confirm. So there are also other options by clicking on any external account on the payment and transfers button. So this way you guys can transfer any amount of money from your Citibank to other external accounts. I hope this video was a help for you guys. I hope to see you again. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.